right, boys, so where are we going?
Uwharrie.
What do you think, Lincoln?
Good.
It'll be fun camping? Are you ready for a boys' night?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm ready for anything.
You ready for anything?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Made it, huh?
Yes,
We made it.
we did.
This is our spot.
Yes, it is!
What do you think about it?
Good.
It's good? Yep.
Are we gonna put
Good fire pit.
Are we gonna put the camper up now?
Yep. Get ready to start putting up the pop-up. Nice big open field. Trails around us. All right, let's get popping it up. What you working on?
Nice.
Knives. Getting a fire going.
I'm trying to...
Boys wanted romp. Hold it up a little bit more.
beat that.
Good one, Lincoln.
Is it good?
Nope, bring it down there a little more. Just want it to get nice and roasted. All right, blow it out, blow it out. What is this? You did two fudge rounds and a marshmallow?
Fudge stripes.
Fudge stripes. Sorry. All right, give it a shot. Let's see what you think.
Woo!
What do you think? Is it good? That. I think it's pretty good.
I like this.
Yeah? All right, Deck, you ready?
Yeah.
Milo up.
Oh, how do you stand when not set my legs?
Probably from mountain biking earlier.
Yeah. But are we sharing the stick?
Yeah.
Can I have the marshmallow? Why did you only bring one?
Because we only need one. If we bring two, that's more you gotta clean. What are you doing, Lincoln?
Like, and don't let us touch the ground. That's too weird.
It's all right. Just brush it off. All right, let's get it roasting. I think the sugar bead's already kicking in. All right, how's it looking?
Golden brown.
What you doing, Lincoln? Is that cookie kicking in? No? Oh yeah, is it golden brown? Oh yeah. All right, ready for a cookie?
Whoa, yes, yes. It's sliding down.
Oh, I'm trying to get it.
Can I have
How is
the
it?
half of...
Is it good?
Oh, da, da, da. Ooh, dee, da, da.
Looks good.
Ooh, see,
How'd you sleep last night?
Yeah.
Huh?
Good.
Good? Did you get cold at all?
No.
No? Good. Fire feels good, doesn't it? Take you a little while to get going. It'll take you a little while to get up and get going.
Wait, what? I don't know what you're saying. What did you say?
I said it'll take you a little while to get up and get woken up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll get some food here in a minute, okay?
What are you making?
I'm making some coffee right now. What y'all working on over here?
No, we can. Wait, no, hold up. I need that. Boop.
Yep.
Hey, you broke it. I can go get this one. This is the one I broke.
Y'all chipping off rocks.
Yeah. I broke this off with my bare hands.
Wow. Mm-hmm. All right, let's go.
Which way is it?
Huh?
Which way is the dot?
Over there? All right, come on.
Is the dog floating?
Mm-hmm. Down here it will be.
How does it stay together? How does it stay together?
They just have it together.
Are they all connected?
Mm-hmm.
Then how is it floating? Does it have buoys?
Mm-hmm. Pretty out here, isn't it? Y'all see?
Water. I see water. I see water.
Mm-hmm. What you see over here? Hmm? How's this one?
Pretty.
Yeah. See those white things on the trail, on the trees, Lincoln?
What light?
Up here? Look at the tree. You see those white markers?
Yeah.
That marks the trail. So that way you know you're on the trail. So when you're on a trail and you look around, you'll see those little white markers everywhere.
Or we can follow your map.
Yeah.
Get on your map, okay? don't see any more. So we might be the wrong way.
No, we're not. We're good.
Oh, that's
Yep.
it. We're on the right way. That one. So it might be that way. I found one on that tree, so we're still going.
Yep.
Is that a white mark?
Nope.
Oh, yay! Found one. I think.
They're up on the trees.
No, do we go straight?
Just follow that one.
I need to find one over right here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's kind of big, Deck.
This is the last one I'm throwing. I'm gonna get my big guy. Oh. I want to get my rock.
Yeah.
They're triangles.
Yeah.
14 by 2.
We need to cut this one up too.
Can you help me with this?
Nope, just walk over it.